What are some of the best skincare tips? Skincare is an essential part of maintaining healthy and radiant skin. Here are some of the best skincare tips to help you achieve and maintain a glowing complexion. 1. Know your skin type. Understand your skin type, normal, dry, oily, combination, or sensitive, to choose products that cater to its specific needs. 2. Cleanse twice daily. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser in the morning and evening to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities. Avoid harsh cleansers that can strip the skin of its natural oils. 3. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promotes a smoother complexion. Use a gentle exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to avoid overdoing it and causing irritation. 4. Sunscreen every day. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning, even on cloudy days. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays and helps prevent premature aging. 5. Moisturize appropriately. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and provides the right level of hydration. Even oily skin needs moisturization, so opt for a lightweight, oil-free formula. 6. Use serums for specific concerns. Incorporate serums with active ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide to address specific skincare concerns, such as brightening, hydration, or anti-aging. 7. Don't forget the eye area. Treat the delicate skin around your eyes with a dedicated eye cream to address concerns like puffiness, dark circles, or fine lines. 8. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and maintain its natural glow. Remember that consistency and patience are key when it comes to skincare. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to adapt and show improvements. If you have specific skin concerns, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options.